Hello, dear students. Sat Sri Akal to all of you, and I hope you all are fine at your homes. And due to lockdown, we are conducting every day online teaching, and for this online teaching, we are making so many videos and upload on YouTube and share with you on WhatsApp. So we are almost to complete the second chapter of 10th class, and there are only two sums to complete after to complete the second chapter of 10th class, that is polynomial. Now we have today I am in front of you with the fourth sum of exercise 2.3, that is will show you on the screen that the sum number fourth. Let me take some time to tell you. Yes, here is. Yes, now you can see on the screen for sum of exercise 2.3, and when we solve this sum, we will complete the second chapter of 10th class. Okay, now let's uh, solve this sum. The sum is we are asked to find the value of gx, that is polynomial, when on dividing this polynomial, that is px. Px is not written in the question, and I will show you in end of this video the question which is written as in math book. Px is a polynomial, that is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. When it divided by another polynomial, that is gx, then it gives us x minus 2 as a quotient and minus 2x plus 4 as a remainder. Okay, uh, as you know, as you all know that the traditional method of division, when we divide a number with another number, then there is a division algorithm, that is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here you are seeing this px equal to gx plus qx plus rx is also a division algorithm. Okay, so put these values that we have px qx rx in this division algorithm equation. Okay, now we will put the value of px, x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 equal to gx we have to find, so we write it as it. Okay, qx, the put the value of qx, that is x minus 2. Okay, plus now the value of rx we have minus 2x plus 4, and put this value on the place of rx in this division algorithm. Okay, so now we have two side, left hand side and both right hand side. Okay, so left hand, on the left hand side we have x cube minus 3x plus x. So on the right hand side we have minus 2x plus 4. We will carry them on the right left hand side, and their sign will be changed there. Okay, so minus 2x becomes on the left hand side plus 2x, and plus 4 becomes minus 4 on the left hand side, and we will simplify this equations now, this polynomials. Okay, so let simplify this. X cube minus 3x square and x plus 2x is 3x, it gives us 3x. Now we have plus 2 and minus 4. Plus 2 and minus 4 gives us minus 2. Okay, now equal to is equal to gx is gx, x minus 2 is x, and now we are to find gx. Okay, question is to find gx. So to find the value of gx, we will divide this left hand side polynomial by x minus 2. Okay, so we will divide this polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2 to know the value of dx. We will now divide this by traditional method, that is you are seeing on the screen. Okay, so x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 we have written and divided by x minus 2. Okay, so to now the question is what does it come here? So this is the first term of the quotient. Okay, to know the first term of quotient, we will do we will use a method that I told you many times. The first term of the dividend is x cube and the first term of the divisor is x. So the first term of the dividend, when we divide the first term of the dividend with the first term of the divisor, we will get the first term of the quotient, the term of the quotient. Okay, that is true. So now x cube is divided by x, it gives us x square. Okay, so x square multiplied by x, we have got x cube and x square divided x square will be multiplied by 2, we got minus 2x square. So x cube minus x cube cancels and plus 2x square minus 3x square, it gives us minus x square, and plus 3x minus 2 right as there. So to know the second term of the quotient, we will divide x minus x square by x. You are seeing this, you can see this minus x square divided by x, we will have minus x. So minus x is the second term of the quotient. So minus x will be divided by will be multiplied by x minus 2. We have got, then we will have minus x square plus 2x, and now we will subtract below polynomial from the above polynomial. For this we change the sign of below polynomial terms. So now this minus become plus and this plus becomes minus. Okay, so x square minus x square plus x square cancels, and 3x minus 2x become plus x, and minus 2 right as it is. Okay, so we have now as a remainder x minus 2, but this is not remainder, we'll have to go ahead. So you can see here the degree of x is 1, the degree of this divisor is also 1, so we can divide it again. Okay, so x minus 2, x minus, here is x minus 2, the here is first term of the remainder is x and first term of the divisor is x. So x is divided by x, it gives us 1. So third term of the quotient is 1. So 1 is multiplied by x minus 2, it gives us x minus 2. We subtract x minus 2 from x minus 2, we will get 0. Now the remainder is 0. So this quotient is now the value of this quotient is now the value of gx. Okay, this quotient, the value of gx is x square minus x plus 1 is gx. Okay, so that's all. This is the fourth sum of the exercise 2.3. Now we have done all the sums of the chapter 1 real number and the chapter of polynomial. So that's all. I hope you will have understood all those sum which I solved for you, which I shooted for you in last